All right, everybody, Sylvia here, coming to you from the desert of Southern California. Oh, my trike is on the go. Come back, Myrtle. Come back. Boy, she is raring to go today. So Dave's here, as I often start my videos from church, but I am not going to go out into this unpaved parking lot because I got 3 flats the last time we went riding. But today we're going to do a new route for us. We're going to be riding to Palm Springs. All right, let's go. Come on, Myrtle. Let's go. All right, Dave and I have left church, and today we're going nimble. No trailer today. It's absolutely gorgeous out here, and we're not really sure where we're going to go. We might go to Palm Springs, and we might go to an Indian reservation. We'll see. Yeah, look at this. This is almost my name. Halper Lake. Another gated community. Yeah, we lost our bike lane, but we found a path. Off-road path. Yeah, we got a wooden bridge over a wash. Very dry wash. Oh, Dave found a tire here. Wow. That's pretty interesting. So this is actually a bike route, Taquitos Canyon, which I think might be the name of an Indian tribe, local Indian tribe. But you really get spoiled with wide sidewalks that are bike lanes and made for golf carts. So we are in downtown, Old Town, Palm Springs. Hi. Yeah, we're finding a nice quiet way to come back, leaving Palm Springs after a delightful lunch. All right, we found another path here. A little bit of drop off to get to it. But there's a horse. This is a horse path, in fact. You can see there's horseshoe prints. So we're on a golf cart path at the moment, and then I think we'll be getting off on a horse trail, but maybe we'll just keep taking this. I don't know. Share the road, as they say. Don't really think of having to share the road with golf carts or horses, but we're up for anything. Crossing the horse path, back on the golf cart path. Really having an adventure out here. Yeah, look at the herons. Can you see the herons and the egrets? And the mountains. Yeah, we're really getting some speed. Yeah, 15 miles an hour. Oh, there might actually be a bike path up here. Wonder if we shouldn't be on that path. Well, so far, nobody's been barking at us. We haven't obstructed. Oh, here we go. Oh, Dave. Oh, there you go, sliding around. Sliding our way back onto a bike path. Oh, that was fun. Yeah, Tuckeets Creek. And this is the bike route. Kind of exciting, riding somewhere new. Yeah, we have just found a lovely way to get back to church. Fantastic, a bike route through a golf course. Haha, like cutie pie. So we're now at the 14th hole. Hi. Yeah, some pretty big bumps here. I think I'd probably rather do it on a trike than on a golf cart. Yeah, this is definitely an old bike route. But it looks like on the left here, could take your horse. Yeah, we have found another path. This has just been a day of surprises and new bike routes. So again, bike path just along a wash here, flood control wash. So what's happening here, Dave? Isn't there a crosswalk right here? Oh, it's loaded with goat heads. Careful, there's a lot of glass up here too, Dave. There's a lot of glass, but I don't think we can get very far here. Well, we'll see, but maybe there's a path up here. Having an adventure, that's for sure. Maybe even getting ourselves into a little bit of trouble. We're on an unpaved part next to this road, and a lot of rocks, a lot of glass, and possibly a lot of goat heads. Okay, we got ourselves out of that mess and found ourselves on a road with a nice bike lane. Yeah, we found another path. Look how pretty these roses are. There's doing a lot of construction over here, so hopefully we can continue our ride without going through a construction site. Oh, look at this. We found another beautiful path. Definitely been on this path before. I recognize that bougainvillea. Dave and I have taken this particular path a number of times, and to the right is an equestrian trail, but I've never seen a horse out here. Maybe someday. Everybody, this ride has come to an end. We are back at church. Dave is here, yeah.
I have a beard now.
You do have a beard, yeah. No hair, but you have a beard, yeah. Thanks for a nice ride, Dave.
Thank you.
So we ended up doing 38, almost 39 miles and about 600 feet of climbing, and I thought it was a great route into Palm Springs. I think Palm Springs is what this area is really known for, but there's a lot of cities in this valley, the Coachella Valley, and in fact, a lot of cities that are bigger than Palm Springs, maybe not as touristic. We went through the city of Bermuda Dunes, Palm Desert, Cathedral City, and I think they're all bigger than Palm Springs. But it was fun, wasn't it? It was fun to ride around Palm Springs a little bit, had a nice lunch, and then we found a fantastic route back, one that I'm sure we'll be doing again. So yeah, let me know what you think of this video and the route and going into Palm Springs. Please leave a comment in the comments section below. Stay safe, be healthy, and I'll see you next time.